um, we have to discuss the circular motion. Actually, what is circular motion? I can say when an object moves in a circle, then its motion is said to be circular motion. Now, actually, circular motion can be studied by subdividing it in two categories, circular motion. First one is known as uniform circular motion. And other one is known as non-uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. Actually, uniform circular motion is that where the speed of the object remains constant. And non-uniform circular motion, speed of the object changes. I'm not talking about the velocity. Velocity changes in both cases. The speed of the object remains constant and speed of the object changes in non-uniform circular motion. Actually, this non-uniform circular motion is not in A-level course, A-level physics. We'll be just studying the uniform circular motion. Again, it has two types. One is motion in a horizontal circle. Motion in a horizontal circle, and this is motion in a vertical circle. These both are in our course. Although motion in a horizontal circle is always uniform circular motion, motion in a vertical circle can be non-uniform. Actually, whatever the non-uniform circular motion is, it's also in motion vertical circle, but they will not be discussed. We'll be just discussing the case where motion in a vertical circle is, but its speed remains constant. Now, for example, what's the motion in a horizontal circle? When a body moving in a circle, when its height remains constant, height from ground remains constant, then I will say its motion is in horizontal circle. And when the motion in a vertical circle, when its height does not remain constant. So let us see a few examples for motion in a horizontal circle. Motion in a horizontal circle is means it is actually when the height from ground remains constant. For example, if you have a conical pendulum like this one, okay, and it is fixed over here, this one, it is the pendulum like this one here, and it moves like this way in this circle, in this way. It is always the same, it's moving in this way. It's a three-dimensional thing, it's moving in this way, that's a circular motion. Or for example, anything, suppose this is a circular motion, it's a horizontal circle. Okay, for example, anything, suppose if you are building a thread is there, and a thread is moving just like in this thread, in the circle, then if the thread is moving in the object tied with this thread moves in a circle, then that's a horizontal circle. So horizontal means at all places the distance remains constant. For example, suppose if this is the marker, I move it in the circular motion in this way. It's moving in a circle, suppose, and its height remains constant, then it's a horizontal circle. Okay, the speed will always be here constant. Now, vertical circle is that in which the height changes from the ground. Suppose, for example, if you have a, suppose a fan is fixed, suppose a fan is fixed here in the this wall in this way. Suppose when it moves like in this way, a fan is moving like here in this way, its propellers or its fans are actually, its height is changing, but its speed remains constant. So that's a uniform circular motion, but in a vertical circle. Similar is the case, for example, if you have a wall clock and see its hands. Suppose a wall clock is affixed in this wall, then its hands move like this way. Suppose if this is the minute hand, it moves like this way. You can see its height changes. Its height changes. Here's a different height, here's a different height, here's a different, suppose the ground. Its height changes, but its speed remains constant. Although this is the case of vertical motion, but that will be in our course. So in this chapter of the circular motion, we'll be just doing the uniform circular motion. And for uniform circular motion, that is actually, it can be in horizontal circle or it can be in vertical circle. But in both cases, the speed will remain constant.